So it spins really nicely, really smoothly. This is a really nice bag that zippers the whole way around the bottom. That way you can have extra storage. It's a nice little pocket here. This goes onto the luggage. This is what the inside looks like. And there's another zipper. And there's another pocket inside. There's also 2 little pockets here. Little makeup case. And then it has little buckles here on each end, so you can snap it down. Very cute. Has a nice little zipper here. And it has zippers that go the whole way around. But then there's also another zipper, so if I open this zipper, then it gives you that much more room. Another space-saving design to where you could have it more expandable or less expandable. On this side, on the original side, it has a little zipper here. These 2 straps come across the middle and buckle to keep everything nicely and tightly in place. There is a zipper here that goes across for some reason. Yeah, I'm not sure what that zipper's for. It's zippered on the other side, like to pull the zippers on the underneath. So I'm very, very confused about that. But there is also a zipper here. And again, it zippers on the outside. So I'm not sure. Maybe it's too, I don't know. I don't know. But the luggage set is amazing. You know, all of it's amazing. I love the color. I love the space-saving design. I love how easily it rolls. I love all the zippers and all the storage. There's a button here that you push to pull out the handle, and you push the button back in and it slides back down very, very nicely, very smoothly. I love that it's able to be wiped clean easily. I really can't get over how smoothly the wheels operate. I love it. And last but not least, we have the locking feature to be able to lock your luggage. So you just line them up and push one in and push the other one in. And you can keep your belongings nice and safe. Pick whatever combination you'd like. And then to release it, you just push this button and they release. Overall, this is a really beautiful luggage set and it works really nice. It's designed so perfectly. Yeah, I mean, I absolutely love it. It's so gorgeous.
So the zipper didn't break. It completely pulled away from this itching. It's junk. I definitely would not recommend. Save your money.
What? Do we not get neck pillows?
Nope.